Hello everyone, in this very quick WordPress tutorial video I'm going to show you how to quickly increase your max memory size, how to limit your post revisions, and also how to disable WP Cron and use cPanel to manage your crons. And this is a test site, so what you do to adjust the memory, you go to your WP config file. Okay, edit. I may need to hide some of these details, and from here you add a quick line of code. Now I go to this website, iuseful.com, and click on the WordPress code because I always forget the code, and just copy and paste the increased memory limit. So you should set it to 128 or 256. I normally set to 256. Just add that to the top there. So below the forward slash where the comments are, just Control V, paste it in. And I'm also add the other one as well. So I always disable WP Cron because it's not efficient. I set up my own cron job on my hosting. So the cron manages server tasks such as sending emails, receiving emails, and activating processes in WooCommerce and so on. It also, some plugins require active crons like price checkers and stuff. So let me add that one as well. Disable WP Cron true. Is there another one? Okay, that's the command to add. And here, this one I use, limit post revisions. So sometimes you can be working on a blog post for a while and you've got multiple post revisions, 10, 20, whatever. And it just clogs up your system, clogs up your database, your file system for no reason. So I think 3 is a good number, so I normally limit mine to 3. So let me add that one as well. And then just save that. And that's done. And now we need to set, because we disabled the WordPress cron, we need to set up our own cron job. So copy this. This is the path to the PHP bin, and this is the folder, and this is the command we're going to run. This is the path to the file we're going to run, which is WP Cron. So we're telling our server to run this file, and we'll set this up in 1 second. So you go to, close this, go to cron jobs, which is, I could never see it straight away. Let me just, cron, where is it? Oh, I'm blind. Oh, right in front of me. Okay, sorry. I've got a bright light right in front of my face. Okay, from here, don't tinker too much, but just Control V, enter your command there. And depending on what you've got running on your site, some of them, they need to be refreshed every 2 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes. So I'll set mine to 5 minutes. So it will run that file every 5 minutes, and that will replace the WordPress trying to run your file. And your cron job, there we go, it's added here. So every 5 minutes of every hour, every day, every month, every weekday, it will run that command and your WordPress will be happy. Okay, so that's basically the things I'm going to show you quickly, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.